there?
Oh my god.
Step back. Don't try this at home.
Never try that.
Are you headed back towards Prescott now, or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why she just wrapped the smoke.
Well, Peter was worried about the smoke.
Peter
It was
very
bugging
worried
him.
about it. Hey, I'm sorry.
Blame him.
Noises are a very bad thing. Unusual noises on a bike are a very bad thing.
Remember that time we were on that gravel long ride?
Oh yes, and my derailleur just swung.
Oh, I never seen anything quite like that.
Oh god.
Put you in like the hardest single speed position I could.
But go all
Yep,
the way.
uh-huh.
You did
And
it
then-
all over the place in that
100 feet
area.
all the way home.
Yep. I couldn't even use any gears going uphill. Oh man, that was brutal.
What's that song? The Anvil chorus? Dun, 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 dun.
Jack, we were there.
We saw that opera together.
10 times what it was. Just to the in.
Dun, 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 dun.
Car from the south. Scott.
Scott.
Scott, car from the south.